In a world that evolves by the minute, our schools hold the key to the future. It's time for education to leap forward, harnessing the power of AI to revolutionize how we teach and learn. Welcome to a new era where schools and AI coexist, not just to coexist, but to thrive. AI in schools isn't about replacing the irreplaceable, our dedicated teachers, but about enhancing the educational experience, making learning more dynamic, interactive, and, most importantly, fun. By partnering directly with the tech industry, schools can stay at the cutting edge, preparing students not just for today's challenges, but for tomorrow's opportunities. AI tools provide hands-on learning experiences, from virtual chemistry labs where every experiment is possible, to real-world problem-solving scenarios that students can tackle in their classroom. Imagine turning the wildest ideas into reality. Generative AI empowers students to think outside the box, bringing their most creative thoughts to life and showing that the only limit is their imagination. With AI, we can understand each student's unique learning path and adapt our methods in real time. It's like having a teaching assistant for every student, ensuring no one is left behind. And it's not just about individual achievement. AI fosters a collaborative environment where students can share ideas and innovate together. This is how we prepare them for the future workplace. Embracing AI also means safeguarding our students. By implementing strict data protections and privacy measures, schools ensure that the benefits of AI are balanced with uncompromising safety standards. Moreover, integrating AI teaches our students about ethical technology use, instilling values of responsibility and critical thinking, which are essential in the digital age. The future is not about AI versus education, it's about AI-enhanced education. Schools are the foundation of our society, and with AI, they can offer more than ever before, turning learning into an adventure that every student deserves. Let's not wait for the future, let's build it now. Explore how AI can transform education at your school. The journey begins here, where AI meets curiosity and education meets innovation. Visit igebra.ai to learn more about how we're making education smarter, safer, and more fun for everyone.